Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to bleach your knots. If you guys are interested, stay tuned so we can learn how to bleach our knots. So the first thing that you guys will need is a lace closure. The same applies for a frontal, so the same steps that we do for this video you guys can use on a frontal as well. But this is our 4x4 closure from DollFace extensions. And if you guys don't know what bleaching knots is, do you see those black tiny dots on the closure? That is what we are going to lighten so we can give our install the scalp look. So I'm just showing you guys these spots so you know what knots are. Okay, and you will just need a bowl, 40 developer. You can use any developer that you want, but I'm using 40, and we are using Quick Blue Bleach. And I'm also using a knife because it just helps me spread it better on the closure, and foil to speed up the process. Okay, so I went ahead and got a scoop. It is actually half of a scoop and not a full scoop. You do not need that much to bleach the knots on a closure. So I am going to go ahead and pour in the developer. I kind of eyeball it. I honestly just eyeball it. You want it to be like a creamy consistency, like a thick creamy consistency, kind of like Oreo filling. You want it kind of thick like that. So about the consistency, just like this. Okay, and I'm going and kind of spraying it with a little bit of water so I can push the baby hairs back. Okay, so now I'm going to start from the bottom and lightly patting the bleach on the closure. You don't want to be too rough because you don't want it to seep through and bleach the hair. Okay, and after we are done putting the bleach on, I'm just going to flip it over and put it on the foil and let it sit for about 15 minutes. So if you are a beginner, I would check every 5 minutes just in case, because all closures are different. All knots bleach differently at different times, so I don't want anybody to over bleach or under bleach. So just eyeball it every 5 minutes just to see how the process is going. But I just did 15 minutes. Okay, so after I let it sit for about 15 minutes, this is the results. And we're going to go ahead and wash it. Okay, so I'm going to use Shimmer Light shampoo to kind of tone down the brassiness. And it is a great shampoo to use when you are bleaching anything. So this is what it looks like after bleaching the knots. I hope this video was helpful and showed you guys how to bleach your knots, and I will be making another video on how to pluck your closure. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.